By next month, I will have been working on this project for 6 months. Easy Speak English. English test. Future Perfect Continuous. Welcome to this grammar test. Today you have 20 questions to answer. You have 12 seconds for each questions. Try to answer before the time expire. Let's start. They will have been studying French for 2 years by the time they take the proficiency test. By the end of the year, he will have been practicing the piano for 10 years. By next week, she will have been living in London for a month. They will have been saving money for their trip for over a year by the time they leave. By the time he graduates, he will have been attending this school for 12 years. She will have been running the marathon for 3 hours by the time she reaches the finish line. By next summer, we will have been living in this house for 5 years. They will have been building the bridge for 6 months by the time it's completed. By the end of the day, I will have been waiting for her for 3 hours. By the time the concert starts, the band will have been rehearsing for weeks. She will have been teaching English for 10 years by the time she retires. By next month, he will have been learning to play the guitar for a year. They will have been renovating the kitchen for 3 months by the time it's finished. By the end of the month, I will have been working at this company for 5 years. By the time you arrive, I will have been cleaning the house for hours. She will have been running her own business for a decade by the time she expands it. By next year, they will have been living in Australia for 10 years. They will have been preparing for the exam for months by the time they take it. By the time the party starts, I will have been cooking all day. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos and write me your comments.